Sony has taken another massive step forward with the announcement of the RX10 V. This flagship bridge camera brings serious updates to an already famous lineup. It combines the ease of an all-in-one setup with the raw power of high-end mirrorless systems. Many creators have waited years for an update to this camera family. Now the new version is here, and it brings a huge wave of internal upgrades. It aims to bridge the gap between simple setups and full cinematic workflows. To start off, let us look at the brand new electronic viewfinder. The upgraded viewfinder gives you a much larger view than previous models. Everything appears brighter, sharper, and far more clear when you hold the camera up to your eye. The high resolution makes it easy to check your focus in real time. You can see fine details clearly, even when shooting outdoors under bright sunlight. This makes framing your shots much easier and far more accurate. The screen experience feels modern, smooth, and very reliable. Under the hood, the camera keeps the high-performing 20.1 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. However, the biggest leap forward comes from the addition of a dedicated AI processing chip. This new hardware completely changes how the camera handles incoming data. The camera can now read images faster and process high volumes of visual information instantly. The sensor and the AI processor work together to give you sharper details, better image processing, and clean colors across all shooting conditions. The new AI autofocus system is one of the biggest upgrades in this camera. Sony brought its famous intelligent subject tracking straight into this model. The camera does not just find faces, it recognizes subjects with incredible speed. It tracks people, birds, wild animals, cars, trains, and airplanes effortlessly. Once the autofocus locks onto a subject, it stays locked even if the subject moves quickly across the frame. This makes tracking fast action simple, smooth, and headache-free for any photographer. Let us discuss the built-in lens system. The camera features the iconic 24mm to 600mm equivalent optical zoom lens with an f/2.4 to f/4 aperture. While the glass layout stays similar to previous generations, the performance feels completely refreshed. Having a massive zoom range built right into the body means you never need to carry extra lenses. You can shoot wide landscapes at 24mm and instantly zoom in to capture distant subjects at 600mm. The lens gives you unbelievable flexibility in a single package. The long telephoto reach opens up massive creative options. At 600mm, you get incredible background compression. This compression brings distant background elements closer to your subject, making photos look cinematic and high-end. The lens also delivers impressive close-up macro performance, allowing you to focus as close as 3 centimeters. You can capture tiny textures, intricate details, and small objects with sharp focus. Whether you shoot tall buildings, wildlife, or macro subjects, this lens handles it all easily. When it comes to still photography, this camera is built for extreme speed. It can shoot up to 30 frames per second in continuous burst mode. That means you will never miss a fast-moving moment or action shot. To match this speed, the camera supports full RAW, lossless compressed RAW, HEIF, and standard JPEG files. You get maximum quality and full control over your images during editing. The high-speed buffer ensures that the camera keeps up with heavy shooting bursts without slowing down. Sony also added several dynamic image profiles directly into the photo settings. You get access to multiple creative looks that act like rich built-in film styles. These modes let you adjust tone, contrast, and color right inside the camera body. You can shoot natural landscapes, punchy portraits, or moody monochrome shots without spending hours in color grading. In addition, the dynamic range optimizer balances harsh bright areas and dark shadows, helping you capture balanced exposures even in challenging lighting conditions. For video creators, the resolution and frame rate upgrades are a massive win. The camera now records full 4K video at up to 120 frames per second. This allows you to capture crisp, smooth high-resolution slow-motion footage. If you need even higher frame rates, it offers 1080p recording at up to 240 frames per second. These video options make it an incredible tool for action sports, nature footage, and dynamic cinematic B-roll. The high readout speed minimizes rolling shutter artifacts significantly. Color grading and video flexibility have also taken a huge step forward. The camera includes professional picture profiles like S-Log 3 and S-Cinetone directly in the menu. These profiles allow you to capture an extremely wide dynamic range with natural skin tones and soft highlight roll-off. You can also import custom LUTs directly into the camera to preview your final look while shooting. This brings the workflow of high-end cinema cameras directly into a compact bridge camera design. Beyond the internal sensor and video power, the overall design and body ergonomics feel rock solid. The physical build closely resembles a classic DSLR, offering a deep hand grip that feels secure and comfortable in your hands. At the same time, it maintains the sleek aesthetics that Sony mirrorless cameras are famous for. The texture on the body provides excellent grip, making it easy to hold steadily during long shooting sessions in the field. The top control panel gives you fast access to your most important settings. Right near the shutter button, you will find a smooth zoom rocker to operate the powered lens cleanly. Next to that sit two custom function buttons, which you can map to your favorite settings for instant control. The main shooting mode dial sits clearly on the top plate, letting you switch between manual, aperture priority, and shutter priority modes in a second. Sony designed the physical controls to make switching between photo and video modes seamless. A dedicated quick switch lets you toggle instantly between still photography, video recording, and high-speed slow motion. You also get two smooth control dials to adjust your shutter speed, aperture value, or ISO settings on the fly. Up top, a standard multi-interface hot shoe allows you to attach external flashes, shotgun microphones, or wireless audio receivers.